Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones SONY XM6. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here we can enable it. If you have Android, open the control panel and you can enable it here. After that, tap on your headphones at the device list and we should have connection. If it didn't help you, next we should perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, we need to turn off these headphones, so press and hold power button. Here we go, and now these headphones is disconnected from the phone and we can see that we have no connection in the device list, and then we need to turn on it, so press and hold power button again. Here we go, and now these headphones will reconnect to your phone, so maybe it will fix your problem. If it doesn't, we should remove and add these headphones. So firstly, I recommend to turn off it. Here we go, and then click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones at the device list. Forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device after that, and now press and hold power button to turn on and then enter pairing mode. First it flashed because it's turned on and we keep holding and waiting for this flash. Here we go, we just enter pairing mode and now just tap on it, and if you have Android also click pair. And again we have connection. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to turn off these headphones. So press and hold power button, here we go, and then we need to press and hold at the same time power button and ambient sound control button, but located near to the power button, for at least 10 seconds until this LED light flashed blue 4 times. So let's press and hold. Here we go. Now we can release the finger. And firstly we need to remove these headphones from the phone and then we can reconnect it. So click the information icon or settings icon, then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device, and after that we need to only turn on these headphones. We don't need to enter pairing mode because after a factory reset these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically. And now we can see it in the device list, so just tap on it and then click pair if you have Android. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!